What's happening here locally in the near future. And as we look at the big view, we're looking at the Atlantic. Things are pretty quiet, the Caribbean, the Gulf. We have to go down into the far eastern Pacific to find any tropical systems. And this is actually Tropical Storm Christina. It doesn't look terribly organized, and it's not. It is a tropical storm and a weak one at that, with winds at 40 miles an hour. So why are we talking about a storm that's in the Pacific? Well, you can just look at the forecast track and see it's expected to move inland here close to Nicaragua, and then it's just going to fall apart with a lot of the terrain. It'll kind of rip the circulation apart. But what will happen is a lot of this moisture and maybe some of the upper level circulation may very well hold together over the land here, and then as it emerges into the southern Gulf, the National Hurricane Center earlier this morning has kind of tagged this area here in the southern Gulf as just an area that we're going to continue to watch. They only give it about a 10% chance of development over the next several days, but just something that we'll continue to keep an eye on. But one thing is for sure, a lot of the moisture with Christina is going to get pulled into the Gulf and then eventually into Texas. And then as we head into early next week, it's going to all get picked up by a cold front that's coming in from the nation's midsection and pull a lot of that high level atmospheric moisture, very tropical air here across the southeast, including central Alabama. So that's a lot of available moisture with that front to help give us some very heavy rain and likely several rounds of heavy rain going into late into the weekend and into early next week. So how much rain are we talking here? So as we go forward in time, some spotty storms over the next few days, but our rain chances will really start to ramp up late in the weekend and over the next 7 days. And again, this is just one model forecast, but you can see just how much rain we could be looking on order of 4 to 6 inches, maybe even some isolated higher amounts. Does that heavier band of rain totals set up here across North Alabama? Is it shifted a little bit further south? That still remains to be seen, but I still think we're going to see the potential for some flooding rains heading into early next week. But in the meantime, spotty storms over the next couple of days, and then of course you can see rain chances really start to come up heading into the early part of next week. We've got some spotty showers that are starting to develop now with it being so hot and humid here locally, and so we'll continue to include some spotty storms today, tomorrow, a few more of those around on Friday, and then scattered showers and storms becoming more likely over the weekend into early next week. Kayla?
All right. World Cup fever takes over.